when we talk about money or money management, we're talking about three things at a very fundamental level. K there stands for the knowledge, D stands for our behavior, our interaction with money, and E stands for the execution. So most of the times when we say we want to learn something about financial planning, we want to learn something about money, we're talking about, tell me a good idea. How much money should I have? Should I put my money into a real estate or should I buy gold? Should I actually put money in spending for that club membership or should I use that money to go on an amazing holiday, or should I make a lot of fund out of it? Should I put it for my children's education? What should I do? These are all the questions, these are all the choices. Those kind of things fall in the domain of knowledge. But most of the times, what we are here aiming to do, most of the times, is tell me a good investment. What's the rate of return here? What's the rate of return there? And that's it. So what happens is we kind of focus a lot on the E, the execution. But I'm going to just flip this thing around a little bit for you. Execution, or what you understand as strategy, it's very easy. It's easily available. Google it. There's help available. You can hire help. It's really 2% of the whole thing. It's amazing because we've never thought about money in that fashion. You open Google and say the best mutual fund to buy, you'll have hundreds. There are hundreds and thousands of people who are in this blue space. Execution. Even in some sense, I'm in this space. What I figured is that there is that knowledge, which is about 49%. And there is about, I couldn't say 49.9, and that's why I put 2%, I just gave grace marks for this. But this is something one doesn't need to worry about. In financial management, there is nothing right or wrong. Absolutely, there is nothing which is right or wrong. And I'll put that argument at rest. Okay? Whatever we do is a result of what we need and what we have. What we need and what we have. What I mean to say by this is, if we had 10 crores for example, and I'm going to introduce a friend called Savitri in a little while to you. But let's say if we had 10 crores and someone like Savitri, who has very, very limited expenditure, lives a very frugal lifestyle, for that person, putting that money in a fixed deposit was also okay. There's no problem in that. However, I'm also going to introduce you to another lady called Bharti in a moment. Now for her, even if she had 1 crore, it is absolutely unwise for her to have bought an insurance policy or to put her money into a fixed deposit. Very simply because she likes to spend a lot of money. She likes to spend humongous amount of money. She therefore needs her money to grow that much faster. So it's all about what you need and what you have. And therefore, this whole thing about how much I'm so-and-so age, I want to do this, which product shall I buy, all of that is just negated out.